Good day, everyone. Thank you for coming into this YouTube channel, Trade Live with Precise Trader. Today is 11th July and Europe session. Do take note of the risk disclosure. Day trading in foreign exchange is risky. Past results are not indicative of future returns. The content on this webinar is mainly educational purpose. Use your information entirely at your own risk, and you must assess your risk before with your broker before you put in your trades. Okay, I think with that we move on to our live analysis. Okay, the key data that's out, in fact the pound data came out 1400 hours. The GDP, which is forecast was 0.1%, but came out to be negative 0.1%. Okay, I think slightly slightly worse than expected. Then we have a 2030, we have a Canadian employment change and unemployment rate. Okay, so this is the next data that is going to be out. Then as far as the trades are concerned, okay, today I think it was a good day. We took a lot of trades, in fact a lot of trades, and today, like as usual, we had stopped out on the gold on the stop sell order. Okay, I think that's the only one, and and the rest maybe I can just share with you. Okay, so this is the trade we have taken today, this entire full screen. Okay, we had more than 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, about 18 entries, 18 to 19 entries. The only thing we got stopped out was gold. We had a stop sell and sell, this one was a loss. Then the gold euro, okay, we had a stopped out on that. Okay, and also one more, we after the market we were expecting the price to drop, but it bounced back, so it was a minor loss, but I think we got back all the trades back on track. Okay, and we managed to recover or recoup the losses. So let's see now. We have this euro yen, and we have Aussie open. Okay, only these two trades are open as of now. So, and we don't have much trades in place, so we can start initiating the next batch of orders. So at least then we can see how we can go about. So let's start off with the euro yen first. Okay, euro yen, see what is the status, euro yen and the Aussie. Then after that we move on to gold. Okay, euro yen, this is a 1 minute chart. I think this is not moving as expected. So in fact we put an order to sell at 71.80. I think we missed by a few pips. Okay, we missed by a few pips. So I think we would be trying to close this at cost. So try then go for re-entry. Okay, so I think the 71.80, I think I want to cancel it. 71.80 selling, cancel. Then then the Aussie dollar. Okay, Aussie, we have a sell which is also not giving the result we wanted. I think we still need to see price spiking up one more round before we see this price. So what we will do is we will try to close that to cost as well. Okay, close at cost. Okay. So we are trying to close that at cost, then or even hold on. Let me see whether. I think we'll take a loss at 85. Okay, just take a minor loss. Then we'll try to go for a re-entry again. Okay. Then the same thing for euro yen. I think we would try to exit at 50. Okay, instead of 40, we'll try to go for 50 or 55. I think we'll start fresh. Okay, the new analysis. Then we'll try to get back the move. Okay, since we already adjusted that, let's start off with gold. Gold looks like it may have seen the high. Okay, right now this is testing the benchmark level, and we are seeing the price coming off. So we should see the price. I think the high is already seen. Okay, at 44. So market has made a high. So if this is the high, we should see the price testing that 23311 or slightly lower. So let's try to go for a re-entry on this. So right now this benchmark level is let me see. Okay, we okay, we feel let me see. Let me see one more round. Just give me 1 minute. Okay, we have the market giving a turn. Okay, so which means to say we should be able to see this market breaking lower. So our entry should be a minimum at 35, 35, then another one at 40. Okay, 40, and for the 35 we need to put a stop at 40 or 42. Okay, 40 or 42. So let's see how we can get back on track on this trade. Then again, if the price breaks 30 half, 30 half, we should be looking to go for a stop sell. Okay, so let's key in this trade. Gold okay, 35, sell at 35, stop at 41. The TP I'll give you later. Okay, so this is one order. Then another order is we would want to go for a stop sell. Stop at 30 half, and that one I think we'll put as 36 half. Okay, the TP again I'll give later. Okay, we have two orders which we are planning to um, um, put one limit sell, another one, sorry, I'm not changing the screen, sorry. One is a stop sell and one is a limit sell. Okay, then we would go for another entry at 39 half. Okay, 39 half. That one we will put a stop at 44. $40, 45. Okay, put it as 45. Okay, then the stop all, sorry, the limit all I'll give you later. So we have three orders for gold. Okay, we have three orders for gold, selling at 35, stop sell 30 half, and another one at 39 half. Then this one I think we will try to close at 65 or 64. Okay, we'll try to close the euro yen at 65. I think we already closed. Okay, so we don't have any open position now. So let's move on to gold. Yeah, Aussie gold. Okay, Aussie gold. We still feel okay. This is in a similar situation. Okay, this is in a similar situation as the gold US. Okay, and we should be looking to sell at 72. Okay, 72, stop at 81, and this one we would go for a limit sell at 65. 65 one, 72 or 73. Okay, 72, two levels. So let's go for that trade. $65 and put at 74 stop. Another one at 72, and no stop sell for this thing, because I don't want to get too much of stress based on this. So we'll go for another sell at 73 and 82. Okay, we have a euro. Okay, euro gold also looks a bit weak, so we will try to sell at 55 or 58. Okay, we are not very keen on this. but we'll just try to go for the trade. Selling at 57 or 58, then stop at 64. Okay, 58 and stop at 64. Okay, selling gold, euro gold. Selling at 55 and maybe we'll put it as 57, then stop at 63. Okay. So these are the 3 orders for gold. Okay, the 35, I think we can lower it to 34. Okay, let's lower it to 34. Okay, that's order we are trying to take. I think the 34 is filled, so we have 2 open position on the gold. Let's see how we can manage this. Okay, so let's move on to our other trades. Okay, we have a euro sell, stop sell, gold limit sell, and we have a also euro gold euro selling limit sell too. So we have 2. Okay, we have sell stop. Okay, just give me a bit confused. Okay, give me a minute. Okay, yeah. So the euro, gold US, we are going for a sell and limit sell and a stop sell. Gold euro, we have 2 limit sell. Then we have gold Aussie. We have 1 more limit sell, and right now we have taken one at 5065. So we have already taken the trade. Okay, so let's move on to other currencies. Okay, let's see how the other currencies are moving and performing. Okay, so let's see euro. Okay, euro, I think we okay, we are seeing the price coming. I think we still have another 2 hours more left on this trade. So let's see, we want to put in a sell either at 11705 or 11720. Okay, let me check that. Okay, I think I want to put just one order because today being Friday and I don't want to go too many trades. So we'll try to sell at 11720 about here, then put a stop at 45. Then the TP, we will take it as the low, which is 116 before the low. Okay, which means 11680. Okay, so let's key in that order. Seven two zero 45 and 1680. Okay, and this is today's order, day order. So we just have one order at 720. The 735, I think I want to cancel. Okay, so I'm just going for one order, and the 735 I'm just canceling it, so at least I don't want to have too much of stress over the weekend. Okay, the next trade we are going to look for is pound. Okay, pound, this is showing because the data came out to be bad. Okay, data came out to be bad. Actually, pound should be weakening, but this is still holding. So we'll try to go for a sell at 80 or 85. So I think we have a sell order at 85. We'll just maintain it, and we will try to cancel the 36.25. I don't want to take that second entry for tonight. Okay, dollar yen, we have market right now is showing 46.80 and this is the high is seen at 46.80 and this is let me see, is a buy or sell, huh? Okay, I think I okay, I want to go for a buy at 46, 40 or 45. Yeah, about 45. Then exit before 80 or 90. Okay, I think we have a sell order at 48. I think that one we'll just leave it as it's okay. So we will go for a buy on dollar yen. $45, stop at 15 and TP at 80. Okay, so this is we have one buy and one sell for dollar yen. Okay, next we will look into Aussie. Then after that we will go for the gold. Okay, so the Aussie looks like this is still showing some strength. So I just feel that I just want to sell at 66.20. Okay, 66.20. Then 65, 60 or 65 as a stop. Okay, so Aussie we are still seeing some strength. Okay, Aussie selling 66.20, 66.45 and 65.80. Okay, because this is a weekend and we don't want to hold the trade much. Okay, so this is the Aussie order, 66.20 and 66.45 and 65.80. Okay, so now finally we discuss on the gold. Okay, before we end the session. Okay, here for those of you who I'm not sure whether you're coming in first time or just recently joined. Okay, we have started trading quite aggressively. Okay, and no doubt we put so many entries. Okay, doesn't mean that you got to enter all the trades. Okay, I keep saying again and again, I repeat, your risk management is the key to success. You know, you may have a fantastic system, But if you do not have a proper money management, then it's going to get killed. Okay, so what I'm trying to tell you is, you focus on, if let's say you are just trading gold. Okay, now from today we have added on two more products, gold against euro and gold against Aussie. But I don't know whether your broker is providing that cross. But of course, if you want to discuss gold against pound, against yen, against CAD, all this we can discuss. But I think my brokerage we just has only these three. So then we decided to go. So what we do is we'll try to enter in the morning. Okay, we have uh, 3 to 4 opportunities. Actually, we are only concentrating on 3 opportunities: one in the morning, one in the afternoon, and one in the night. Okay, so within these 3, we start to take trades. Morning we start to take trades. The moment once you start to make money, then we move on to go on. So try to re-enter, try to take profit, try to exit with the profit, and try to minimize the loss. So now, if you look into gold, okay, we look into gold now. Okay, you see here, this is trading in a critical level. Okay, this is what we call it a benchmark levels. Okay, benchmark levels meaning this is our previous. See, there are levels called support and resistance. Okay, so that is usually this levels, the support and resistance is where you expect the market to reverse, or you might expect the market to hold or test, whichever. The minor levels, there are minor levels. Okay, that levels we call it as benchmark levels. So now what we feel, just now we have taken the trade. I think we haven't given the TP for this. So when we look into this benchmark level, this is the benchmark level. Right now it's testing, it's holding. So once it breaks, we should see the price moving towards 25, 22, or even lower. Okay, or even lower. So here when we see, when we plot the levels, the trade, so we need to see whether the benchmark level breaks or the support breaks. Then we can be pretty sure. And as a trader, if you are sitting in front of the desk and if you are in the driver's seat, okay, the only thing is expected you to do is just to see whether the support breaks, doesn't break. Okay, if it doesn't break, then you try to take action. If it breaks, then you try to hold on to your trade, unless you feel that today, you have lost some money, then you try to hold on to that view. Okay, so now looking at this, so this benchmark level says, okay, the next support is 29.80, and if it breaks, then we should see the price heading towards 25. Okay, so what I'm saying is 25, there is a strong support here, 25, 26. So we had a stop sell. Okay, just now we had a stop sell. I think I want to cancel that because this is not giving us the result. Every time we go for stop sell, we get kicked out, and we lose money. So now here, this TP, I would want to revise it to 26. Okay, remember 25. 25 is the support, so we'll try to exit at 26. Then we have a sell at 39.5. So if 39.5 is filled, then that one we should be exiting at 30.5. Okay, so higher price, we exit higher. So the reason is because the market is a bit choppy, so we'll try to keep uh, keep with our flow. So right now we have a Euro Aussie which is making money. So now we see where we want to close it. Okay, right now, if you see the Euro Aussie, it is trading near the benchmark level, and we need to see a break break of this to go towards 50 50 half, and if 50 half breaks, then we should see the price 45. So definitely we got to exit before these two prices. So since market is choppy, and market is today is going to be the last trading uh, day of the week, so I'll try to exit slightly better than that level. Okay, and right now, since this is making money, I will also lower my uh, my stop. Okay, I would also want to lower my stop. Okay, so this is for this. So now we have another order selling at 73. So if 73, I think the same manner we got to exit at 60 half or 61. So we don't want to wait to see the price breaking low, unless if really happens, then we are unfortunate, then we will see how to go about. Okay, then the same thing for euro, gold euro. Okay, gold euro, I think this is we want to exit at 45 or 46. Okay, I'm not looking for more than that level. Okay, so this is how you should be managing the trade. And like as I said, as I said, okay, I repeat again and again, you trade what you focus on. Doesn't mean that I key in so many orders, you got to key in all the orders. Okay, this is up to you to decide what you want to focus. So like today, I'm just saying we have taken almost, like you see the trades today, almost more than 20 20 entries. I would call, I wouldn't say 20 uh, uh, trades, because some got first entry, second entry. I don't know whether you want to call it as trades or entries. So overall, I think overall we are making. You see, because the only thing is, you must understand that when you lose, of course, there's two incidents when we got stopped out on the gold. So we put a stop sell. I think then it went up, then got stopped out. Then this was a limit sell, and the market was going lower. Then this also was a loss. Then one gold euro, I think we got stopped out. But I think we managed to get back the losses on the re-entry. Okay, so what I'm trying to tell you is, okay, have a plan, stick to your plan, have a focus, and whatever you are doing with, so you just stick to it and manage it. So when you say managing is, see, like for instance, like Euro Aussie and gold, we have two orders now. So I just want to manage this too. So if you say, look at Euro Aussie, all you got to do is just put in the screen 1 minute chart. Just see whether this low breaks. If this low doesn't break, let's say the price starts to move up, then this is definitely this is going to be a wrong trade, because the market once starts to move up, then we are going to get stopped out. So if you see, this is what you need to do. If this thing breaks, you make money. If this thing breaks, you are going to lose money. Okay, this is what we call it a PT anchor. anchor levels. Okay, PT means precise trader. Anchor levels means these are the level that is going to hold it. So immediate, if this breaks, is going to go higher. So if this is the case, so let's say I don't want to lose money. Okay, I don't want to lose money. So then I just reduce my stop to cost. Okay, now I'm safe on that trade. I mean, I'm not going to lose, but definitely I should be able to make or break even. The same thing when we look into gold, US. Okay, now we are seeing this price is creeping higher. Okay, it's creeping higher. Sell, creeping higher, which means to say that this price, the bulls have not got any strength to push it higher. So most likely this should break low if we are right. But of course, it can go up first, then come down. Okay, that also is possible. But I think we just stick to the rules. Okay, we just stick to the rules. We just play the game by the rules, so at least we don't get panic. If the market goes against, or if the market goes against us. So now, if you look into this again, uh, a steep fall. Okay, look at this angle. This is a steep fall and gradual increase. Okay, which means to say that there are not enough buyers, so we are expecting this price to come down eventually. Okay, so now looking at this, but of course the sentiment can change. Doesn't mean that as of now this is what is showing here, but hold on now, why got 2 DMI? Okay, sorry. So now as of now, you just have to see whether the price breaks low. Then once it starts to fall, then we can be pretty sure that okay, this is going to give the result what we expect. But overall, today expect a very tight range. I don't see any big movement happening, and this is going to be trading within this today's most likely the levels what you have seen now. Okay, the high and low, which is 43 and 22, most likely. Okay, I don't see the price going above that or below that 22. Okay, even if it breaks below 22, should be yesterday's range, and I don't see much weakness happening. Okay, so I think that's about it. So if you feel you can, I mean, like now we have another two other products to compare, for even our gold gold US, because see right now the gold US, previously we were just looking at one, so we just look at it, we start sometimes we get hit and we try to be be in the wrong side. Okay, but when you try to compare with like gold euro, okay, you see here gold euro also no strength, gold Aussie also this is just consolidating but no strength. So I think gold US should also be in that direction. So most likely we should be seeing that. Okay, now you see here, now the thing is moving up. Okay, I think I want to take my profit. I don't want to lose on this. Okay, I'll just take my profit since I'm only fighting for this. So I'll just wait for this answer to come out and see whether I'm able to make money on this. So your risk management is very important, the key to success. So if you feel you are on the wrong side, don't hesitate. Straight away take action. Straight away close. Then you would be in the business for a long time. because if you don't do that, then chances are you may get kicked out, you may lose money unnecessarily, then I think it's a waste. So you see now the gold Sing is going, gold US is going up. So now I think I'm losing, but the key level is the 90.39 half. Okay, so if it breaks, then we are wrong. If it doesn't break, then we should be able to be in the safe side, but not giving us weakness, very much weak. If you are expecting the price to drop pretty big, don't expect. That's the only thing. Okay. Okay, any questions? If not, then we end the session, and I'll see you again next week, because tonight I think I don't have any more session, because I think we have done a lot of trades. In fact, we have taken more than 20 trades today, so 20, and we only got twice got stopped out, but the rest all break even, and we decided to close early. So most of the trades was okay. So we are positive today. I think we made about 1 to 2, no, about 1.6, I think 1.6 to 2%. And our target is, we are looking for at least 1 to 2% every day. So then if we go on to that 20 trading days, we don't get every day as a 2%. Sometimes we might lose. So at least you can make 20-30% a day, a month, and consistently producing that results, and that's what we are heading for, and that's the direction we are heading for. Okay, so I think I just want to conclude. Any questions? If you have, if not, then I just want to end the session. And okay, so thank you.